Neobanks are a new generation of banks that operate solely and exclusively through the Internet, which were born with the fundamental objective of facilitating financial operations for people. They are digital organizations that can provide up-to-date and accurate information about your expenses, all in real time. Neobanks serve only online using artificial intelligence. Its main features are that all operations and transactions are made online, and the opening of products is 1% digital without the need for paperwork, has low or no maintenance costs. Users are virtually free from commissions payments. The absence of physical branches allows them to move costs efficiently to the customer in the form of lower rates and interest rates. They have easy or intuitive apps that operate across mobiles and are the hook for digital natives. They offer different types of services: opening accounts, debit and credit cards, international transfers and currency exchange, combined with different financial management tools, help with savings plans, expense and revenue management through alerts and messages. The intensive use of technology helps them operate in an agile and dynamic manner. This to identify segments of populations now served or underserved by traditional banking, allowing them positive impacts on financial inclusions. Its advantages are the best transactional costs because you don't have to pay for the physical spaces and logistics that this implies.